Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is in English for grade 5, and we are learning unit number 9, and its title is Son of Motherland. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 5, we will learn about the use of hyphen. Okay, how we can use the word hyphen, punctuation mark, hyphen in our daily writing sentences. Before in English for grade 5, my dear students, already we have learned about punctuation marks in as exclamation mark and question mark, full stop, comma, these all we know. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. And today we are going to enhance our knowledge about punctuation marks, and today we will learn about our SLO. Recognize and use hyphen to join numbers, quantities and fractions. It means we are going to learn the use of hyphen in numbers, quantities and fraction. So let's see how we can do. So my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Yunus, verse number 2, and give good news to those who believe that there is a high rank with their Lord. Okay, so this beautiful verse is telling us that about the believers, those have firm belief on they have firm faith on Almighty Allah, and all these instructions, teachings, those are being given them by Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So this beautiful verses also explaining that, so give them good news that we have a lot of favors for them because they are believers. Okay, so they are Muslims. Have you got it, my dear students? So have you got that? What does it mean? 3 dots are there. Yes, it means there is also something behind. Okay, so these marks are also punctuation marks. So can you judge that? Yes, this is a colon and full stop. So today we are going to learn about marks. Let's see. Yes, my dear teacher, what you have to do? You have to write a paragraph on the board without punctuation marks. So say to students to put appropriate punctuation marks to make it meaningful paragraph. Without punctuation mark, you can write a short paragraph consisting of 4 or 5 sentences, and then you will let students to punctuate that paragraph to get it into meaningful way. Okay, pause the video, perform this activity in your class, and then come back. Welcome back, my dear students. I hope you have done it and you have got it, how we can use punctuation marks in our daily writing. Yes, now let's see what is a hyphen. Hyphen is a punctuation mark used to join compound words and numbers to show them as a single unit when we write them. Already we have learned that about compound words. When we want to, few compound words are also there, my dear students, we use hyphen. Okay, this symbol is hyphen. Okay, this is a short line is called hyphen. When we want to join compound word, okay, when we want to write numbers, number in words, my dear students, then we use hyphen. How? See there in example, mother-in-law. Now you have seen this symbol is called, this mark is called hyphen, and now that hyphen is being used to join compound word. Now it is a compound word, mother-in-law. Is it clear? Next, you can see I have got 122 magazines to sell. Is it clear? I have got 122 magazines to sell. Now have you judged that? 22 hyphen. So keep remember, when we are writing numbers in word form, so we have to write it with hyphen. Clear? Next, see there, 56 bottles of Sprite. Now you can see that Okay, have you got that, my dear students? Now, again, this is a number and we have put there hyphen. We use hyphen in spelled out fractions. For example, 1/4 increase, a 3/4 length coat. So when we are spelled out fractions, so what is fraction, my dear students? It is like some part out of 100, something out of 100. Okay, it can be like 10%, 5%, anything, something out of 100 is called fraction. Have you got that? So you can see that. Let's see how we can use a hyphen between the numerator and the denominator. We write also like 2/3. Okay, when we use these 2/3 in word form, so then we use hyphen, like 3/11. So when we are going to write into word form, so then also we have to use hyphen. Next, we use hyphens in quantities like 2 kilogram potatoes. Okay, so 2 kilograms, see there, I have used there hyphen. We have to use, you can see 4 GB memory devices. There is 5 meter per square second acceleration. Is it clear? In this way, we can use when we are showing quantities, when we are showing different grams in the shape of like quantity, then also we have to use hyphen to make it clear. Have you got, my dear students? So let's move to word and activity. Yes, my dear teacher, what you have to do, write different words on the board, self, check, service in, etc. These I have given you. For example, as an example, jumble form, call students into pairs near the board and say them to write, join their parts by using hyphen, engage whole class in this activity. So my dear teacher, you have to write few words on the board. Okay, it's up to you which words, but these words must be like joined by using a hyphen. So keep remember there I have like self, okay, respect and check in, self-service. Is it clear? Like self-service, check in. So we use hyphen to combine them. In this way, student will combine them. Pause the video and perform this activity in your class and then come back. Welcome back. I hope you have done it and now you have got it, how we can use hyphen to join different words, different quantities. Good job. So on your book, there is question number 10. You have to put the hyphens in the following sentences. You have to read the sentences carefully. After that, you will put hyphen where we have to put. So this is an individual activity for you. Pause the video and perform this activity on your book under your teacher supervision. Welcome back, my dear students, and I hope you have done it. Good job. Now you have got that where we can use hyphen. What's your homework? You have to write question number 11 given on book page number 76 in your notebooks. Okay, this is for your today's homework. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should get it and provide it to your students in printed form so that we might be able to get that how they can use hyphen in different situation and in different writing. So what we have learned today? We have learned today about hyphen. It's used to join words or parts of words, and in this way we have covered up our SLO, my dear students. And I hope today's lecture you have enjoyed and now you have got about the use of hyphen. So tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon, inshallah. Till that time, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.